What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a HART Brushless 600 PSI portable power cleaner. All right, well, we call it a power washer, whatever you want to call it, power cleaner, power washer. And it's a 20-volt system with a 4-amp battery right there. And it's included with a charger. I got this from, of course, Walmart, and it was in the clearance section, $115. Regular price is not too far off, but yeah, we are going to get into it. Now you have your 3 nozzles right here, 40 degrees, 15 degrees, and then you have your 25 degrees. And this part right here goes into your bucket. Okay, this is what you throw into the bucket for your water source, and that will be it. Why do you need something like this? Maybe you want to clean your car in the winter time and you have your water spigots turned off so your water don't freeze at the spigot and you don't have a catastrophe inside the basement of your house or wherever your water at in your house. You get yourself one of these, put a bucket of water, and go ahead and start washing. Okay, so we are going to get into it, unbox it, and check everything out. Let's go. We have a 4-amp battery water line. Have your attachments. This is bigger than the one that I had, and the reason why I said the one that I had is because my other one broke, right? And yeah, so this is pretty cool. So they have a compartment right here where you can boom, twist that, put your battery in. Oh, this is nice. This is like heavy duty. And then you put your attachment in right with the arrow, push it, and it clicks in. Nozzles are definitely bigger than normal. 40 degrees, 15. Click it in, close the waterproof case, then you lock it up just like that. Now it's waterproof. All right. Now this right here is a quick connect. You quick connect this if you want to use water from your spigot. So what you have to do is use a washer. They give you a washer, put your washer in, that way you don't have no leaks, and then screw on your hose right here. And then after that, you quick connect it to your gun, and then you have endless amount of water. But in our case, we are going to use our water hose and a bucket because our water is still turned off at the spigot. This side right here is a filter. If you have dirt, grime, and all types of junk in your water, then this should filter it out. And this side you hook up to your pressure washer, just like that. Okay. Now we have already put this on, but that's how you take off, put on, and then you have your attachments right here. So you have your 3 attachments, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and then you have 15 degrees. We'll just use the 40 degrees. Arrow to arrow, clips on. This is good because it's a safety. So that way, if you have kids and stuff, the pressure from this will damage them. You guys definitely be careful. They do have safety rules on here. All right. All types of safety rules. Definitely be careful because this is pressurized water. This is not like water coming from your spigot. If your kids play with this, they can get hurt. Now, all you do, dump it in your water, straighten your hose out as well, and then take your safety off, push this button in. You have your modes right here. Mode 1, 2, 3. I just put it on 3 just for fun. Take the safety off. Hold it. You got to give it a little while. Give it a little while because you have air in the system. All right, there we go. You can use this, power wash the car. You could come over here. I'll bring y'all closer so y'all can see. All right, you guys, that was the 40 degrees. I'm pushing in, take out. You got 40, you got 25, and then this one is 15. Put in the 25, match the arrows, here the clip, and to do your thing. You could clean your sidewalk, just in case, you know, homeowner association say, hey, you need to power wash something, then you can go ahead and start power washing. All right, you guys. So I try to hook up one of my foam cannons. I have foam cannons over here. I try to hook one of them up, but unfortunately they don't hook up because it's a special latch on here to where you hook your nozzles up. So I couldn't do that. So yeah, you just clean your car regular and then go ahead and use your power washer. Power wash your car, power wash your sidewalk, power wash your house, and do what you got to do just in case if you don't have access to water. Again, this is good definitely during the winter time. The sun is coming back out now, but winter time when it's freezing, this is definitely good. Fill a bucket of water and use your power washer. And I know a lot of people use this to power wash underneath of their car. So yeah, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.